took his stand. With dreams that soared on eagle's wings, he crossed the desert sand. From Asmara to the world, his legend swiftly grew. Binyam the champion, a dreamer brave and true. Oh, Binyam, our shining star, you race with heart so grand. From the reachless heights to Tour de France, you conquered
the wheel is Mads Pedersen about to strike, but Arnaud Delis is there. Pedersen now goes for the stage. Girmay goes across, and it is right in the centre. Mads Pedersen, Girmay, Biniam Girmay. Biniam Girmay wins his first ever stage of the Tour de France for Eritrea.
What a fantastic win. I just jumped off my seat, but it could have been for anyone on the riders on the finish line. Unfortunately, Pedersen had to go to the left, made the big effort to go back on the wheel of Jasper Stuyven. Powerful kick, as he always does. Gaviria doing really well beside him, but look at Girmay going on the inside, on the barrier side.
Oh, that was risky.
Good shoulders there between Delis and not happy. Brilliant win. They went a little bit early, lacked the big horsepower there, but it's good to see them try something for Sam Bennett.
A celebration behind. Before today, Intermarché was one of only 2 teams not to have a win in the Tour de France in this field. One of them was...
Oh, you're the best. You make history. You make fucking history. You know it's for Africa and for Intermarché. You know it, Vinny. Fuck. We're so proud of you. Fuck. So strong.
It's unbelievable to win 2 times. It's I don't know what can I say. Just want to say thanks God for everything, and I think this victory I need to give to my mother, to my father. They believe in me. They give me all the support to become a cyclist, to become a professional, and yeah, I just want to say thank you very much, my family. I'm so proud.
Take us through that finish. It was the perfect finish for me.
Yeah, that's why I won. No, I mean it's like I said, I prefer this kind of sprint because if it's really flat, I mean the other guys is more bigger than me and more heavier, so they can push more watts, so they can go more fast. But like this finish for me, with my weight, super nice. But today, if you see the team, they put me in the perfect wheel. They give me good lead out, and from that one on I just felt not super good on the beginning. Soon I felt super good, and yeah, I just did my best sprint again.
Can you explain that final 250 meters?
Yeah, I think it was we came really fast downhill and then go slightly up, so I already feel the legs even on the downhill because we are in the left side, so all the wind is ahead of us. So yeah, when they started lead out our team, 1K to go, I already knew like my legs was super completely exposed. So if my legs is there, the other also they have the same feeling. So when we go slightly up again, I felt again like super hard, and then I knew I think now it's gonna be my day because everybody already stretched one line. There is also 2 Cofidis in front of me. I would say also thanks to them because it was perfect lead out in the end. For me, in the end it was a really good fight with Philipsen, and then I won.
And it's also a very good day for you and for that jersey, the green jersey, because you have a bigger and bigger advance.
Yeah, I think the first thing today I was really proud to win with the green jersey. You know, I think it's not happened a lot of times. Like I say, for me, my plan was first to win one stage in Tour de France, and then again to wear the jersey, to win, to gain more points. Absolutely perfect.
What's the next dream?
I think it's almost done now. I'm almost done now. I'm super happy if I continue now until Nice without any victory even. I will be just so happy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats, guys. Incredible. Hey, I sent you.
C'est de repasser pour...
Thanks, boy. Oh, you're the best. You make history. You make fucking history. You know it for Africa and for Intermarché. You know it, Bini. Fuck. We're so proud of you. Fuck. So strong. So strong. Ça c'est Bini ça.
Starts sprinting, Binny comes out of the wheel of Sturven, Pedersen waves but doesn't go all the way to the barriers and gets beaten by Biniam Girmay. Huge win for him. And in a hectic stage, the first pure bunch sprint of this Tour de France takes the W. Fantastic to see. We have DSM, Arkea and Intermarché getting big wins ahead of Gaviria, Dali, Pedersen, Groenewegen, Bauhaus, Jacobsen, Ballerini, Bennett, Coquard. Here's what Biniam had to say after the stage and how much it meant to him.
Since I started cycling, Tour de France was, I'm never dreaming to be part of Tour de France, but now, I can't believe it. To win in Tour de France, second year in the big bunch sprint, for me was unbelievable. I just want to say thank you to my family, my wife, all the Eritrean and African. We must be proud. Now we are really part of the big races, and then we success a lot of victories. So now it's our moment, it's our time.
Working it down to 2-1. A deep stretch from Pista.
Grand Tour stage in the sport of cycling. Only 24 years old. He's from Eritrea, Africa, so shout out to the motherland. And let's take a look at this victory right here. As you can see, he takes the wall.